Session 17 of Managerial Communication of second semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about the process of presentation. Process of presentation. The steps followed in this process are: first impression is the best impression. Make sure that the opening of your presentation is confident and impressive. The audience should feel that you are a capable speaker. Second, know your audience. You must have a clear idea of who your audience are and what their requirements and expectations are. You should design your presentation accordingly. Do not estimate that your listeners are completely ignorant of the subject. Do not be under the impression that your listeners are just as familiar with the subject as you are. Such estimates will mislead you and affect your confidence and preparedness adversely. Third is maintain proper psychic distance. Psychic distance is the proper physical distance the speaker maintains from the audience. If the speaker stands too far away from or too near to the audience, it will hinder proper communication. Psychic distance differs from speaker to speaker. You should know what proper distance you should keep from the audience in order to communicate effectively. Next is maintain proper eye contact. It is essential that you create an impression that you are communicating with each and everyone among the audience individually. Constantly staring at the roof, the door, or anything other than the audience when you are speaking should be avoided. It creates an impression that you lack confidence and fail to involve the audience. Next is greet the audience and say your name. Greeting the audience heartily is a clear, energetic voice. In a clear and energetic voice will create an atmosphere of harmony. Mentioning your name will also enhance the effect. Next is enter the topic directly. Some speakers like to begin their talk by cracking some jokes. It is not advisable always, as it is very tricky. Name the topic, impress in what way you are the right person to speak about it, but do not boast about yourself. Give a brief structure of your presentation and highlight the benefits of listening to your talk. Make the presentation exciting. A dull talk will surely fail to attract the audience. You must adopt certain techniques to break the monotony of speech. Clear and strong voice, variations in your tone, proper intonation, brief pauses, appropriate gestures, all this give visual effect to your words and it will make your presentation interesting. But too much stress on style and gestures may also irritate or divert the attention of the audience. Variety in your actions will also help arrest the attention of the audience. You may pace up and down the rows of audience or shoot a question at a listener, write some points on the blackboard or highlight the details displayed on the screen. You may use facts, information, statistics, graphs, illustrations to authenticate your points. Next is involve the audience actively. Remember that your audience have certain ideas which are related to your talk and that you are extending the horizon of their knowledge. You may ask questions to get their answers or information or allow them to ask questions or add to your information, appreciate their efforts, anticipate their doubts and answer them and create an impression that they have also contributed to the success of your presentation. Thus, make sure that your presentation becomes a two-way process of communication. Do not make the hindrances big. Power failure or system failure can be expected during a presentation. In such cases, do not keep complaining or grumbling. Proceed as if nothing has happened. There are technical glitches, so take it easy. You may make use of the alternative aids like Blackboard, walk among the audience, speaking loudly, and make use of the hard copy of your presentation. Um, or if the slides are not clear, you can orally communicate. So, see that you continue the presentation. Finally, sum up your presentation. As you have introduced the structure of your presentation, it is essential to sum up your talk. This will give a proper ending to your presentation and will help the audience to grasp briefly whatever they have heard in course of your talk. Do not forget to thank the audience at the end. References.